Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, we from group 5. I'm Muhammad Huzakir Muhammad Zaid. Glad to explain about our introduction to our project. Okay, for introduction, we would like to make a correction tape using our AutoCAD. So for introduction, what is correction tape? Correction tape is a handy tool used to correct mistakes made while writing or typing. So our objective is to draw 2 major orthographic drawings and 3D AutoCAD. Okay, so this is our team, which is a product of mechanical stationery. Okay.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Afif Rahmat and I will share with you guys the background of the product. The product history. The history of the correction tape was back to the middle 20th century when manual typewriters were commonly used for typing documents. Before the advent of correction tape, typists had to rely on correction fluid or correction paper to cover up mistakes made during typing. However, these methods were messy, time-consuming, and often result in a less than perfect correction. The first commercially successful correction tape was introduced in 1958 by a company called Beth Nesmith Graham's Mistake Out. Beth Nesmith Graham is a typist and single mother developed a liquid-based correction fluid known as Mistake Out. In 1968, Liquid Paper Corporation was founded by Beth Nesmith Graham to manufacture and distribute the newly invented correction fluid. Eventually, the company expanded its product line to include correction tape. Today, correction tape has become a staple tool in various fields, including drafting, art, crafting, the office work. The tape is typically made from a flexible plastic material with a dry, white correction film on one side. It is designed to be applied over errors on paper or other surface, allowing users to make quick and clean correction without leaving any residue or writing for drying time. So the type of correction tape. Number 1 is standard correction tape. This is the most common type of correction tape. It features a thin white tape coated with a dry, opaque correction material, typically made of white pigment or opaque film. It is suitable for correcting errors on standard paper surface. Number 2 is transparent correction tape. Transparent correction tape is designed with a clear or translucent tape that allows use to see the text or drawing beneath. This type of correction tape is particularly useful when precise placement is required, as it enables users to align the tape accurately. 3 is mini correction tape. Mini correction tape is a compact version of standard correction tape. It is smaller in size, making it easier to carry in pockets or pencil case. Mini correction tapes are suitable for on-the-go correction or when space is limited. Number 4 is wide width correction tape. Wide width correction tape has a broader tape than standard correction tape. It covers a larger area in a single application, making it efficient for correcting or covering substantial errors or sections in a document of drawing. 5 is specific correction tape. Specialty correction tapes are designed for specific purpose or surface. For example, there are correction tapes formulated for glossy or coated paper, photographs, and even fabrics. These tapes are adapted to adhere to and correct errors on this specific surface without causing damage or leaving residue. Number 6 is refillable correction tape. Refillable correction tape features a reusable dispenser that allows you to replace the cartridge when it runs out. This type of correction tape reduces waste and is more cost effective in long run.
Hello, my name is Sufiazi Shazani bin Hafizi, and I would like to share about subcomponents in correction tape. In correction tapes, they have a 4 subcomponent. Firstly is a correction tape body. The main of body the correction tape usually made of plastic. It houses the other components and provides structure and stability. And second, correction tape roll. This is the actual tape that contains the correction materials. It is usually a white strip of thin plastic films or paper coated with a white opaque correction fluid. And thirdly, dispenser mechanism. The dispenser mechanisms allow the correction tape to be smoothly dispensed and applied onto the surface requiring correction. And lastly, is a spring. Spring is basically made of steel because it's a popular choice for springs due to its strength, durability, and cost effectiveness. Okay, next we go to product operation. Correction tape operation. So firstly, we have to prepare the surface. Ensure that surface you want to correct is clean and free from dust. Second, hold the correction tape. Take a hold of the correction tape dispenser. And thirdly, position the tape. Place the correction tape at the beginning of the area you want to correct. And 4, apply your pressure and roll. Apply gentle pressure on the dispenser and roll it along the area you want to need correction. And 5, smooth and blend. So, after applying the correction tape, use your finger to smooth object like the back of pen, to press down and smooth out the corrected area. And 6, lastly, let it dry.
Okay, for the conclusion, the correction tape making process involves the use of gear within the system to ensure its proper functioning. Gears are mechanical components that transmit rotational motion and power from one part of machine to another. Gears in these various stages of the correction tape making process are likely incorporated into specialized machinery and equipment. Specific design and configuration of the gears would depend on the factors such as the product volume, desired tape dimension, and the complexity of the manufacturing setup. Please note that without the access to detailed technical drawing or information on the specific correction tape manufacturing system, it is not possible to provide such a precise representation of the gear's design and arrangement. For accurate and specific details, it is recommended to consult the equipment manufacturer or obtain technical documentation pertaining to the particular correction tape production system. Thank you.